How to sign into Chime. Alright, let's walk through signing into your Chime app. It's a quick process. First off, make sure you have the Chime app open on your device. Let me open mine. Once you inside the app, you will see this type of interface where you will be given two options. The first one is sign up and the second one is login. Simply tap on login. After that, you will be asked to enter your email address and password right over here. Simply enter them, then enter your password too. So it's taking a lot of time right over here. The circuit is just rounding up. So to save your time and to save my time, I'll be explaining you the rest process. The place where you are seeing the loading is where you will find a login. After you fill up all this information, that is email and the password, you should just tap on login, which is right over here. Tap on it. After that, you will receive a SMS text message from Chime to verify your identity. Simply verify your identity and you are all set up to use your Chime app. And that's it. After doing all this process, you will be now signed into your Chime app. See, it was that simple. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.